I'm losing my braids, and while I'm losing my braids, I might as well give you some tips on the basics, you know, on taking care of your hair, especially as a teenager. It's so important to know how to take care of your hair, how to wash it, and the best way to wash it without damaging the hair, because especially for 4C, it's prone to breakage, it's prone to a lot of things. So getting to know the basics, such as the way you're going to wash your hair and how well to wash it in a quick amount of time, depending on how long you want to spend on washing, and also protective styles will help you in the future when you're independent and you have no one else to depend on to help with your hair. This is why loving your hair and taking the time to get to know your hair helps build those skills for the future. Also, when you're detangling your hair, make sure you don't do it dry. I've got a spray which has water in it, and water's gonna help me my hair soften, which will be so easy to detangle when I need to detangle it. So do not, do not detangle your hair dry, or else you're just gonna break it. And all the new growth. Where's the whole new growth if it's just gonna be breaking apart? Whatever your hair wash day is, make sure it's practical so that your whole wash day is not entirely on hair. Like, you've got other stuff to do. You can have time to do those stuff, you know. You know, a lot of people have asked me questions on how long it takes to lose my braids. It depends on the braids. So like, my braids are big, but like towards the front it gets small. It was made like that so that it's suitable for the season, summer obviously. So it's not gonna take so long, but it depends on how fast you're undoing the braids, the length you're cutting it off. If you don't know how to take care of your hair, researching about your hair and finding videos related to hair always helps. Anytime I remember to research more about my hair and see what I can do better, I just research and watch hair videos on people whose hairs are so good, and they've got all their methods down like a book. But one important tip, if you're researching about how to take care of your hair, always watch the people who have your hair type, have the same porosity as your hair, and who are similar to you, because I can't just learn how to take care of my hair by watching someone who has 3C hair, if you get what I mean. Always do your research very well, be thorough, so that the methods you try don't backfire on you. So guys, I'm on my last braid. I thought taking out my hair would take long, but it actually didn't. So like I said before, it really depends on how big your braids are and how fast you are at losing them. It really depends on those variables. And that's it. It cuts 15 minutes off my hair wash if I detangle my hair before I wash it. So I'm gonna do that. There's more coming, so guys, stick with me, and yeah, thank you so much for watching.